Hi there, it's Geoff at Better Living Outdoors, and today I'd like to show you how to set the time and filter cycles on the TP800 control panel. So as you can see, currently the menu is set on Spa. If we use the buttons on the left hand side of the panel here, scroll down into settings, use the center button to select, and then firstly we're going to scroll down to time of day, select into there, and then if you use the right button you can hover over the various menus in there. So this is showing 10 o'clock at the moment. If we use the downward arrow, obviously we're going to change the hours down. The upward arrow will change them up. Similarly, if you want it out of 24-hour mode into 12-hour mode, you just use the up and down arrows to scroll through that. Once you're happy with where you've got to, highlight over the save button at the top left there, press the center button, and that saves the time. So once you've got your time set, then you can go to adjust your filter cycles. So again, scroll down in this menu to filter cycles, center button selects into there. And this is typically what your spa will turn up with out of the box. So it will be set to filter once a day. So you can see filter cycle 1 is active, and that's between 8 at night and 10 at night for 2 hours. Now, what I would advocate you do to start with, and it really does depend on your usage of the spa, but I would split those 2 hours across two settings. So filter cycle 1 at the moment is active. If we just scroll into that, that's fine running at 8 o'clock. I'm going to change the run time down to 1 hour, and then keep scrolling to where we get filter cycle saying no. Use the downward arrow to change that to yes, and then I'm going to go into here and change that to 8 AM, and again we're going to make that be 1 hour, and we'll just reduce those minutes to 0. So now what your spa is going to do, it's going to filter at 8 PM at night for 1 hour. So between 8 and 9 it'll be filtering, and it's also going to filter between 8 AM and 9 AM in the morning. If those times tend to coincide with when you often use the spa, then I would suggest you move them a little bit later. So say perhaps 10 at night to 11 at night, 10 in the morning to 11 in the morning, and that way you're going to get the most benefit out of your filter cycles. So once you've set the timers as you like them, just scroll back up to the top where it says save, and then hit the center button to save them, and that's your filter cycles adjusted. Thanks for watching.